How to secure your Direct Express account with a new PIN. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to secure your Direct Express account by creating a new 4-digit PIN via the mobile app. Log into your Direct Express app or cardholder website. What you need is navigate to account services and select the option to change or reset your PIN. Then you could just go ahead and change it. And if you want to do it through a call, you could contact customer service number on the back of your card. Select the option for PIN change or forgot PIN in the automated menu, and you could just go ahead and secure your Direct Express account with a new PIN. Make sure to avoid these steps, like do not use your birthday, address, or consecutive numbers as well. And if you suspect fraud, use the app instantly to freeze your card as well. And you must change your PIN every few months to maintain security as well. So this is how you're supposed to secure your Direct Express account with a new PIN. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.